Hello everybody, MD Polo here, thanks for joining me. In this video we're going to take a look at the Sig P365 and the upgrades that I did to it. A couple of weeks ago I released a video showing you what I had purchased for it, and in this video you'll see the finished product. Right off the bat I wanted to thank Osage County Guns for their help and their support. They did provide the 15 round mag for the P365 that you see on the table. Next to it you have the 12 round mag that I purchased from Osage County Guns, but I paid for this full price during their sale, but I paid full price for that. This was sent to the channel courtesy of Osage County Guns. And to the left of the 12 round you got the 10 rounder with a pinky extension and the 10 round flat. Now the 10 rounder does have ammo in it because it is my carry gun. Down here you see the little attachment that goes as a replacement to the bottom plate on the 15 round mag for the P365. With a bigger extension it goes in the regular 365, but if you want to use the 15 rounder in the 365 XL, then you need to replace the bigger plate with this smaller one, and then you have 15 rounds for the P365 XL. Now I misspoke on my last video and I mentioned that this plate was for the 12 round mag, and it's not, and I was corrected by one of the viewers, and thank you very much for that. So here's where we got the finished product. Originally this is the grip module that came with the 365, and you can see it here. This is the regular 365 grip module. And what we have now is the Gray Guns P365 grip module. And by the way, the gun has been safety checked. So I just wanted to show you the texture on it, and I'm not sure the light is cooperating with me. And if you go around, on the right side of the gun, and it does have the Gray Guns trigger. Now this trigger runs close to $90 plus installation, or unless you can install it yourself. And I was told by one of the viewers as well, and I was not aware of this, that you could buy Sig's version of the trigger, of the flat trigger, for about $40. So that's available to you as well. But I wanted to show you what it looks like completed with both the flat trigger and the Gray Guns grip module. This was incredibly easy to install. All you do is pop this pin out, of course remove the slide, pop the pin out, and the whole trigger assembly comes right out. Drop it in here, put the pin, put the slide, check for function, and everything's ready to go. It literally took me about 3 minutes to do the change, and I am not even the same universe as a knowledgeable on guns as far as takedowns and gunsmithing. So this is what it looks like. If you want to put it with a 15 round mag, this is what it looks like now. If you want to do it, use it with the original factory 12 rounder. That's what it looks like. It's very, very comfortable. I have medium-sized hands, if that helps you as a reference, and it fits very comfortably. And of course you've got the regular 10 rounders here as a reference point as well. Using a medium-sized hand, this is what it looks like with a 15 round. So very comfortable gun. It's shooting great. I've had zero problems with this gun, and 12 bullets in this little package, it's quite amazing. And I carry it in a phalanx concealment holster. Great holster, very well made. I just really like it. It's a veteran owned company. Click, fits perfectly. So overall, a very nice carry package. So I wanted to show you this finished product. Now, I recently shot the 365 XL, and I put a video out on it a couple of days ago. And I just wanted to tell you that even though it's a good shooter, and actually perhaps a little bit less felt recoil, perhaps, than the regular 365, I don't think that I'm going to go in that direction, and I think I am going to keep the regular 365. One of the main reasons for it is that being a short distance, close quarter self-defense pistol, I really don't see the need or the reason to go for the longer barrel as far as getting extra terminal velocity on the bullets, because this is a short distance weapon for protection. But keeping this pistol, the original 365, I can go with a 15 round mag, I can go with a 12 round mag, and then if I want more be deeper concealment, I have the two options of the 10 round mags. If you go with the XL, your options are the regular 12 round, because it is a flush fit 12 round mag, so the grip goes all the way down to here. So that's your option. You got the 12 rounder or you got the 15 rounder. You don't have the option to go down to the two 10 round mags. And as things stand right now, excuse me, I just bumped the camera, I'm staying with this. It shoots well. I've had zero problems with this one. If you saw my, I think it was my first video, I did have problems with the first one, but this second gun I've had zero problems with. It's got a born on date of March of 2019, I believe it was. And like I said before, 12 bullets plus one in with a 12 round mag is just, it's a hard package to beat. And I am amazingly accurate. For me, my capabilities, I am very accurate with this pistol. So anyway, short video. I wanted to show you what I've done and what it looks like. Again, thank you very much to Osage County Guns for their support. Check out Phalanx Concealment for the holsters. Great job. And again, I just wanted to let you know I am not being paid by either one of these companies. Osage County did provide this mag to the channel, the 15 rounder, but that's the extent of their contribution to the channel. So, full disclosure. Anyway, guys, ladies, thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please consider clicking the subscribe button and the bell so you're notified whenever the new videos are available. Until then, thank you very much, and God bless.